Aku por waklat ka belenda te. Ye bro sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pat ufrai dia. Kham no ka ching chen chat am. Tip syuk kan long kom na la da. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau hamokam hilaban pun long ki kathong ko jongpi ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course
State Vice President Jakasang BJP Upadairu MDC Katura U Bernard N Marang Ulaong ba Mudui Shaki Bor ba Halor namar ba ki pulit Kim Shim la register case ya ka Ejahar ka Baula Mudui Sha Superintendent of Police ka West Garo Hills District ya ka Balabo ya ka Ejahar ha ka Katsau Tri Uyayong Arja Pon Rio Persya ki Brio ki ba Pynpra ya ka Stishu Jong Jisu ha Chi Binang U Bernard Ulaong ba Hadien bala Pynpat ya ka Stishu ki Runar ki Latan Ru Shasurap ha ka Ejahar wa keno ba ki Brio ki bale Kham kidai ki berapa shet dau MLA bat MDC barem US matur mominen ula keno bakani ke jingle kadai ke basya siliang ha ke bai ki noi lam na rilom garo la pengat shireng jan ki mukodma kat baki bria ki badan kti ban Pynpra ya ustishu jisu pan ki like.
When I told Chibanang, people of Chibanang informed me that the statue of Jesus was vandalized and it was dragged on the road. So I visited the place and I found that it was true. And after that, I filed an FIR because the crowd was instigated by Mominin, the former MLA and MTC, which led to the desecration and vandalization of the statue of Lord Jesus. So I filed an FIR immediately on 14th of April, but to my surprise, that FIR was not registered. So my question is there biasness in handling the Muslim leaders and the Garo leaders who are Christians? The Christian leaders, they have actually stood for the right of the people defending the constitution. But many cases has been slapped on the Garo Christian leaders, but no charges has been filed against the Muslim leaders. So this is a big question. If the government does not take this matter seriously, then we will have to take this matter at a higher level.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.